Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. In today's episode, we're going to be doing black garlic Parmesan wings. Now, if you've never had black garlic before, it's a very earthy, kind of almost sweet taste. Definitely a different flavor profile. You're definitely going to want to check this out. So let's jump right in and get this started. All right, to get started, we're going to be using two seasonings to create a base for our crust on our wings. The first one I have here is Epicurean Specialty, is the brand name, and this is a truffle, parmesan, and black garlic seasoning. I got this on Amazon, but I'm sure you can get this practically anywhere. It looks pretty common to me. The second seasoning we're going to use is this Italian seasoning. And essentially, this has got red peppers, fennel, and other things in it. This will add another base, and I think will complement the Parmesan wings very well. So to get started, we'll go ahead and just give these things a good dose of the seasoning. Now, this does have Parmesan already in it, so this will get a little clumpy, so just be mindful of that. Then we'll add the second seasoning, the Italian seasoning. We'll go ahead and pat that in, flip them over, and do the same thing on the other side. Come in close and get a look at these. All right, now that we have these coated on both sides, we're going to go ahead and get these over to the grill. Let's go. So for today's cook, we're going to use my little portable hibachi grill. It's a charcoal base. It's going to give me a crust on these things I'm really looking for. I have the pellet grills behind me, and if I had a little bit more time, I'd probably use those and just sear them at the end. But for today, I think I'm going to use a charcoal grill, give that a nice smoky flavor. It's going to complement the seasonings we already have on the wings themselves. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, we got our charcoal lit. We're going to go ahead and let that burn down until they're, mostly white. As you can see, I got this a hot zone and a cold zone for these. The hot zone is going to be important to get the good char on the wings without burning them, and then we'll move it over to the cold side. So we're going to go ahead and let this burn down a little bit, and then we'll get the wings on here. Stay tuned. While we're waiting for our coals to burn down, we're going to go ahead and get our black garlic butter mixture ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the pan on top of my coals. I'm going to start with one stick of unsalted butter. Throw that in there. And then I'm going to add the black garlic. So what I got here is 1 clove of black garlic. And all you're going to want to do is just peel it. And that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to take our little micro grater here. Want to slowly melt and incorporate the garlic and the butter together. Go ahead and let that melt down and simmer until our coals are ready. Stay tuned. All right, now that our garlic and butter are well incorporated, we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. Our coals are ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and get those on the grill. Now, again, we're just going to want to get a char on these. So just a few minutes per side should be enough. Try to give yourself a little bit of space. We're going to let that go for a couple minutes, and then we'll go ahead and flip them. All right. We ran these wings to about 172 degrees. I got them put in my bowl here, and now we're going to go ahead and add our topping. This is our black garlic butter topping that we made earlier. I'm just going to lightly drizzle. Our wings with that. And then I got probably about eighth-ish cup of finely shredded Parmesan. Lightly sprinkled that in there. Now remember, the seasoning we put on the beginning had Parmesan in it too. If you wanted more Parmesan, you could. Or if you're using a seasoning that doesn't have it, feel free to increase that amount. But we just want to give it just a little more kick here. Let's go ahead and these a flip. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get these plated up. Can't wait, these smell really good. Don't these look good? They smell amazing. Alright, I can't wait to give this a taste. Cheers, folks. Holy smokes. That is really good. Immediately you get the Parmesan, the earthy profile of the black garlic. This is freaking amazing. Folks, if you've never experienced black garlic before, or you haven't played around with any recipes containing it, I highly recommend you do so, and you can definitely start with these wings. Definitely will be a crowd pleaser. Folks, if you like what you saw here today, consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see y'all next time. Take care.